Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru, your trusted guide to industrial sensors, automation, and thermal measurement concepts. In today's video, we'll understand the 4-wire RTD connection, the most accurate method used in industries for precise temperature measurement. Before jumping into 4-wire RTD, let's quickly recall what an RTD actually is. An RTD, or resistance temperature detector, is a temperature sensor whose resistance changes with temperature. As temperature increases, the resistance of the RTD element also increases. This principle is used to measure temperature accurately in industries like power plants, chemical factories, and process automation setups. Why different RTD connections exist? Now you might wonder, why do we have 2-wire, 3-wire, and 4-wire RTD connections? It's simple: to reduce lead wire error. When we connect an RTD to a measuring instrument, the wires themselves have resistance. This extra resistance can cause measurement errors. So, to eliminate that, we use 3-wire or 4-wire configurations instead of 2-wire. What is a 4-wire RTD connection? A 4-wire RTD connection is the most accurate and preferred connection in critical industrial applications. It uses 2 pairs of wires connected to each end of the RTD element. The first pair of wires carries the excitation current. The second pair senses the voltage drop across the RTD element. This separation allows the instrument to measure the true resistance of the RTD element only, completely eliminating the effect of lead wire resistance. How it works? Here's how it works in simple terms. When a constant current flows through one pair of wires, the voltage across the RTD is measured using the other pair. Because no current flows through the voltage sensing pair, there is no voltage drop in those wires. This ensures that the reading represents the actual resistance of the RTD element, not the wires. This method provides high accuracy, even for long cable runs. That's why it's the top choice for laboratories and precision temperature monitoring systems. 4-wire RTD connection diagram explained. In a typical 4-wire RTD diagram, 2 wires connect to one side of the RTD element. 2 more connect to the other side. The transmitter or temperature indicator measures the voltage between the sense wires while applying current through the other pair. The instrument's internal circuit automatically compensates for lead resistance. Advantages of 4-wire RTD connection. Let's quickly go through the key advantages. Highest accuracy eliminates all lead wire resistance errors. Ideal for long cable distances. Preferred in research labs and calibration setups. Stable and repeatable readings, perfect for precision temperature monitoring. Applications. You'll find 4-wire RTDs used in calibration laboratories, pharmaceutical manufacturing, chemical and power industries, research and testing setups, high-accuracy process control panels. Whenever precision matters, 4-wire RTD is the go-to choice. Limitations. However, there are a few small limitations. It requires more wiring, making installation slightly complex, more expensive than 2-wire and 3-wire types. But when accuracy is critical, this extra cost is absolutely worth it. I hope you now clearly understand how a 4-wire RTD connection works and why it's so important in industry. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru for more technical knowledge made simple. Stay tuned. In the next video, we'll explore more about RTD sensors and temperature instrumentation used in real industries. Thanks for watching.